fourth way of financing of getting finance from international market is ADRs. They are American Depository Receipts. Now, Depository Receipts, they are a negotiable instrument. Generally, they are denominated in the US dollar. तो क्या है कि हमारा जो भी ये negotiable जो ये instrument है इसमें whatever the valuation is done, it is done in the US dollar, for which ordinary share means non-US security, serves as an underline. Now, these ADRs are listed on the US stock exchanges like New York Stock Exchange, American Stock Exchange. Even if you know that Infosys has its ADR listed in this NYSE. Now, it was devised in the late 1920s. Why was it devised? It was to help the American citizens so that they can invest in overseas securities, ताकि वो कहीं और अपनी कंट्री के बाहर भी कहीं इन्वेस्ट कर सके, and to assist non-US companies wishing to list their security in American market. ऐसे ही है ना कि Infosys is an Indian company but it has been listed in the New York Stock Exchange as well. Is that clear? So, if I'm talking of ADRs, यहाँ पे दो तरह के ADRs होते हैं. एक होता है स्पॉन्सर्ड ADRs और एक होता है अनस्पॉन्सर्ड ADRs. जो स्पॉन्सर्ड ADRs हैं, दे आर इन्वॉल्विंग कि जो भी कंपनीज हैं, दे हैव it is their wish to enter into the American market. So it is a voluntary entry of a company into the American market, and therefore the company needs to file with the SEC. Whereas if I'm talking of the other, that is the unsponsored ADRs, they are often issued by a depository bank. Depository bank ही unsponsored ADRs को issue करता है, and the trade is happening over the counter. मार्केट डिमांड की वजह से कई बार अनस्पॉन्सर्ड एरियाज इशू होते हैं, या फिर हो सकता है कि फॉरेन जो कंपनी है उसके पास किसी भी तरह का डिपॉजिटरी बैंक के साथ कोई लेना देना नहीं है, सो दैट इज़ वाई हो सकता है कि अनस्पॉन्सर्ड एरियाज आर बीइंग इशूड. तो एडीआर्स की भी अपनी एडवांटेजेस हैं दोनों के लिए, इवन फॉर द इंडिविजुअल एज वेल एज फॉर द फॉरेन कंपनीज. पहला तो ये जैसे कि ईजी है बहुत, बिकॉज यू सिंपली बाइंग द शेयर्स इन अ फॉरेन कंपनी. देन जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन कॉस्ट है, क्योंकि आपने सीधा स्टॉक एक्सचेंज से ही अपने यू आर गोइंग टू गेट दैट, सो इट इज़ द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन कॉस्ट इज़ वेरी मिनिमल, एंड कोई भी तरह का टैक्स इतना नहीं इन्वॉल्व होता है व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग ऑफ एडीआर्स. आई होप इट इज़ क्लियर. Now, the next ones are the global depository receipts. They are very similar to ADRs. Just हल्का सा फर्क है GDR ADRs में, that I'll tell you. Now, if I'm talking of a global depository receipt, it is again a negotiable instrument, but it is a freely traded negotiable instrument. Now, it is also issued by a depository bank. ठीक? And which purchases shares of foreign companies and deposits it on the account. Now, these GDRs, they represent ownership of an underlying number of shares of a foreign company and commonly used by investors to develop market. आपको अगर याद हो, we had talked of that in World Bank there are two kinds of countries. One are the developed countries and the other ones are the underdeveloped or developing. Now, the developed ones are the who give out money. They are the lenders, and the developing are the borrowers. So इसमें भी GDRs में भी ऐसा ही है that there are developed countries में लोग बैठे हैं, investors बैठे हैं who are going to invest in the companies in the countries which are emerging, which are developing or which are underdeveloped. So GDR is also represented in US dollars, लेकिन ये US dollars के साथ साथ it is even denominated in euros. और ये किस स्टॉक एक्सचेंज में लिस्टेड है? US Stock Exchange. Now, these GDRs, they are often listed apart from the US Stock Exchange. They are also listed on Luxembourg Stock Exchange, Frankfurt Stock Exchange, Hong Kong Stock Exchange, London Stock Exchange. तो वहाँ पे क्या था? It was limited to the stock exchanges in America only. जैसे NYSE, AM, MX. बट यहाँ पे हांगकॉन्ग, फ्रैंकफर्ट, लंदन, लग्जमबर्ग, बहुत सारे और भी स्टॉक एक्सचेंजेस में इट हैज़ बीन लिस्टेड. नाउ इफ आई एम टॉकिंग ऑफ द डिफरेंस बिटवीन एडीआर एंड जीडीआर, सिर्फ ये है कि एडीआर्स are just traded in USA, whereas this GDRs they are traded in any country other than USA. वो जो ADRs है वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ अमेरिका में ही ट्रेड हो सकते हैं, लेकिन ये अमेरिका को छोड़ के बाकी हर जगह दे आर ट्रेडेड. आई होप that you have no doubts now in ADR or GDR.